Hey everyone, it's Lise and welcome back to my channel. Today we have another Bibbidi box unboxing. Whoa! Bibbidi box unboxing. And this is one of my favorite boxes, so I can't wait to see what is inside. So per usual, on top there is a card. This one has Daisy Duck on it, and it tells me who curated my box. It looks like this month it was Trish, so thank you Trish for taking the time to put my box together. It is greatly appreciated. And then there is a spoiler alert or packing slip on top, which we will wait to look at until later. And now it's time to dig in. Oh, this looks really big. Oh wow, this is awesome. Okay, it's a Loungefly. It's a Pixar Loungefly of Inside Out. And it has all these beautiful colors. This is a perfect summer bag. I love these colors. These are perfect for summer right now. So this is probably the next purse I'm going to be using after I'm done with this. Here's the back. This is like the perfect size too. Oh yeah, this is a great travel purse. It's not, you know, super bulky or anything. It looks like the flap lifts up. I wanted to unwrap it a little bit so it was easier to show you. It has this gold chain. I really like that. It's so classy. But on the shoulder, you have this lovely leather strap that keeps it from digging into your shoulder. So that's really nice. And on the inside, because you know Loungefly always has a really cool interior in its bags, it has joy, sadness, disgust, anger, all written on the inside. So the inside is just as colorful as the outside. And I like how the colors aren't just on the top flap, it's also on the inside as well. Inside out, get it? I don't have any inside out items, so this is actually my first one. And I think it's a good one. I think it's gonna be a great summer bag. And the character design is so subtle. So, you know, it's not completely in your face. I think you could get away with using this for just about anything. So it'd be a great conversation purse too. Awesome, I'm excited about that. Okay, next, I'm really excited about this item. They have a wish list, and on their wish list, they have some items that are specifically from their company. I saw this item on the list and I thought it would be pretty cool to have, but it's a makeup bag in the Bibbidi box design. So you have your Disney snacks, you have the Stormtrooper with the Death Star balloon that I love so much, and the teacups, and you can see the house from up and everything, the Mickey Mouse wizard ears. I see some Dole Whip on there. I love it. I love it so much because how many of us, let's be honest, how many of us save the Bibbidi boxes just because we love the design so much? So I really kind of hope that they come out with more items. You know what this would be so cute on? Ears. Bibbidi, make it happen. I would love a pair of ears in this design. It would be adorable. For real, you'll make millions. Listen to me, I know what I'm talking about. If you do, I really want some though. It looks like I have one item left and I put my box on the floor so I had a little more space. So forgive me. Oh man, oh, this is awesome. Oh, this is awesome. It is a comic style Star Wars shirt. This is so rad. I am digging this right now. This is so cool. This is probably my new favorite shirt right now. Check that out. And you can also tell them your t-shirt sizes and everything. Get the plague. I am living for this shirt right now. It is so cool. I had 3 items in my box, so I'm gonna assume that they're pretty highly priced items, and that's why there's less of them this month, and that's totally cool. I put that, I was into that. So it looks like the items in my box, the Bibbidi Boxes exclusive custom print Napa leather cosmetic case. This retails for $40. It's so cute, and it's like leathery, but it's like a soft leather. I really like it. Hold on, let's see what's in the inside. It's just a black inside, but It's lined, so that's good. The Star Wars shirt retails for $24. And then the Loungefly Pixar Inside Out Mixed Feelings crossbody bag retails for $65. So the total retail value of my box with those 3 items comes to $129. And that's still more than what I paid for it. So I think it was pretty good. I can't tell you what item I like the most because I think for the 3 items that I got, all of them are pretty sweet. I really love the Star Wars shirt. The purse is really cool, and so is the bag. So I don't know, I can't decide, I don't know. What do you guys think? Tell me what I like, okay? Tell me what I like. Did you like any of the items in this box? Did you have any favorites? Has anyone else gotten an Inside Out bag before? Because I'm pretty excited about that. Yeah, I really like this box. I think it was pretty good. But I really want to see this design on some ears. Okay, Bibbidi? Let's make it happen. All right, that's it. Remember, if you're planning your next magical vacation and don't know where to start, I'm here to help. My services are completely free. The information is down below. And always remember to be kind, have courage, and always believe in the magic. Bye.